So here it goes. Present now. Entire screen. Okay. These we have already done. G is coming 70. You agree or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then I and H are remaining.
Um, I think I is 32 degrees.
I 32 degrees you're saying. And what about H?
H is 49.333. Forever. That's 49.33 degrees.
49.33. It's non-terminating, right? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Correct. Good. Now let's move ahead. So angles between the parallel lines remain at the same distance, right? With respect to one another and they do not intersect, right? So there is a transversal.
Yeah.
The line which cuts them is called as a transversal. Do you know this thing?
Yeah.
Good. So we will measure some angles. Okay, draw a pair of parallel lines with a transversal and measure the eight angles. So one angle could be this. The same symbol has been used. Can you see? Means
Yeah.
this angle and this angle we are talking about. Okay. Then these two angles, right? You can also
Yeah.
represent it with a different sign. Okay. I have used a different shape and color. This is called as vertically opposite angles, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Next. Again, these two angles. Can you see the ones in which black line is being made? Can you see this
Yeah.
line and this line? Do you have any idea what are these angles called?
Corresponding angles.
These, and what about this and this?
Uh,
Blue and blue.
the circles, those are also corresponding angles.
So are they going to be equal to one another?
Yeah.
Yes. So these are also equal. Next. What about these two angles? Black marked by black color.
Alternate angles.
Very good. Alternate interior angles. These are also equal, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Next. What about these two angles?
They're supplementary.
Supplementary. And their sum should be equal to?
180.
Right, 180 degrees. Some people call it as interior angles, owing to the sum of 180 degree again. Fine. Now, uh, so there are some figures here. So these are just that these angles will be same, nothing more than that. Okay. So this
Okay.
is will be equal to this that we already know. So line or the transversal can be drawn anyway, but the fundamentals will remain same. Okay. The direction of this transversal can change at a certain angle, no problem. Fine. Next, you can see their direction could be anywhere, but the most important thing is these properties will only be used when you have two parallel lines being cut by a transversal line. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Otherwise not. I cannot make two intersecting lines. Suppose these lines will intersect, these are not parallel, and I draw like this, and I ask you, if suppose this is 70, this will not be equal to 70 because these two lines are not parallel to each other, because they will be intersecting, they will meet somewhere, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, next. So name an angle corresponding to the marked angle. So what would it be?
Angle F.
Yes. Okay. Next, what about this one?
Angle H.
Good. Next,
Angle A.
angle A. Good. Next,
Angle G.
good. Next,
Angle E.
Angle E. Good. Because these are alternate angles, right? Next.
Yeah. Angle D.
Good. Alternate. What about this?
Angle D.
Good. Next.
Angle C.
Good. Next.
Corresponding. Angle F.
Good. Next.
Angle B.
Angle.
B.
Right. Next.
And angle H.
Angle H. Next.
Angle G. Angle F. And angle E.
Right. Next. You.
Angle
Mhm.
H.
Mhm.
Angle E. And angle F.
Right. Same order we have to follow. Next. Take your time. Try this question.
Okay.
Okay. Any answers? Ready with all, or you want some more time?
I'm ready for all.
Okay. What are your answers? X is 80.
Angle
Mm-hmm.
80.
Y.
Angle Y is 60.
Mm-hmm.
Angle D is 20.
120.
Or 120.
Right. Z will be 120 because we are subtracting it from 180. Next. What about this?
Um, okay, let me do this. I have the answers.
Right. X, Y, Z.
X is 105 degrees.
100
Y is 55.
Mm-hmm.
And Z is 125.
Right. Good. Okay. Next question.
Okay.
Yeah,
30.
answers.
X is 85
Right.
and Y is 120.
Right. Next question. This one.
Okay. Okay.
X and Y and Z.
X is 125,
Hmm.
Y is 55,
Hmm.
and Z is 125.
Right. Good. This figure is also called as a parallelogram. Okay. A
Okay.
parallelogram, do you know what is a parallelogram?
Yeah.
Because we have these two sides parallel. This is also set of line parallel and the opposite angles are also equal, right? Yes.
Yeah.
So this is a parallelogram. Next, try this question.
Okay. Okay. I did it.
Okay. A
Is 50.
58.
Yeah.
B
32.
C
32 degrees.
D E
D and E are 58 degrees.
F G.
F is 52 and G is 64.
Okay, good. H.
64.
Good. Next. You need to find these angles. Just try this question, and this question. Last three questions only, okay?
Okay.
On which I've put a tick. Okay. What is UTWV?
U is 81, but
Hmm.
P is 99, V is 54, and W is 126.
Okay. Have you calculated X and Y?
X and Y are both 130.
Good. What about Z?
I'm still doing
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Please go ahead.
I think I have the answer.
Okay. You will have to make a line like this. Okay. Did you do it like this?
Then it would be 48 plus 35,
Right.
and the answer is 83 degrees.
Okay. Your answer was also coming 83.
Yeah, but I did it another way.
How did you do?
I made a quadrilateral, and then I found these complementary and supplementary
Okay.
angles of 35, but that's harder, so it's fine.
Yeah. That way also you can do. You can do a construction like this way because these two lines are parallel. You'll draw a line parallel to these two lines, which will automatically be parallel to this line also and this line also. Okay.
Okay,
Any other doubts that you have in today's class, you can let me know. Any other type of question you want me to take?
no,
Is it clear? Have you done these things before also?
yeah, I did it in class before.
Okay. Any other doubt in this?
Oh no.
Okay, fine. So should we wrap up here or you want to try more or is it okay?
Sure, we can wrap it up.
Okay, fine. I'll just wrap here. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can let me know.
Okay,
Fine, okay. Thank you.
okay,
Okay, thank you
bye
much.
bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.